Ooh, a little early.
45 seconds left.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Gallipo Center. The 2024-2025 on-road season has started. So this is November 3rd, 2024, and the mains are just starting. My first main I'm up in is F1. We've went through 3 qualifiers. I qualified 2nd overall, so I'm starting P2 in the A main. This is the same chassis that I had last year, the Roche F1 EVO2, Roche Rapide F1 EVO2. Same electronics, the Zombie EVO2 motor, a Hobby Wing stock spec, I believe, or just stock. I don't quite remember. I think it's a just stock. And the Samwa system, Genzace battery. But what is new this week is brand new F1 tires. So last season I ran the whole year on these are the old F1 tires in the package. So this is the new package, the Team CRC track magnets. There's the part number. They were shockingly gummy out of the package. And these have now 2 qualifiers on them. So qualifier 1, I ran on my old tires. Qual 2, Qual 3, I ran on the brand new tires. And this is how they've scrubbed in after 10 minutes of run time. And no problems running a fresh pack right out of the package. Like excellent traction, way better than I would have expected. So CRC still seems to be the best tire, and I haven't glued any of the sidewall at all because we still run on gray carpet here, one of the few gray carpet tracks that's left. Anyway, we'll see how I hold up in this A main. I am 1 laps from the leader overall in a qualifier, so we'll see if I can hold on to that P2 finish, or if he crashes out, I have a chance at winning. All right, here we go. F1 A main starting in P2.
I got a 4300, so it's.
Ooh, the tires are still pretty slick. Practice laps. These brand new tires are better, but it's kind of subtle. It's not a huge improvement, but it is an improvement.
So it looks like everybody's checked in.
1 minute to start the race.
All right, we're getting gridded up. This blue car is very fast. That's the new, well, it was the brand new X-Ray from last year. There will be a 2025 coming soon, but that's the 2024.
5 seconds. Next up is Stock Savannah.
Oh, can you bend my front wing back, Fred? Just bend the front. Thank you. Oh, that's gonna ruin my run.
Oh! Here, I'll let you go. I'll let you go. That wouldn't have been fair.
All right, I'm lapped down already. Now I'm last.
Oh, you took that corner fucking good.
We're better on the opposite end of the track.
Yep.
All right, I got to reel in the pink and the yellow in order to move back up. I'm currently in 4th.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are Eddie in first place with a
Oh no!
0.2 pace, followed by Andrew in second place with a 27 lap 504.
Losing my mojo in the main.
Followed by Prosser in third place with a 27 lap 507.3 pace, followed by John Kay in 4th place with a 25 lap 506.5 pace.
I'm the fastest driver to take it quick.
That's how I get.
So a minute half down. Eddie has stock on 9.2.
He's in a league of his own.
Andrew has a fast lap of 9.8.
Wait a
Steven
second.
has a fast lap of 10.3. And John has a fast lap of 9.6.
It's a respectable fast lap.
Eddie, Andrew, Steve, John.
But with those 2 full stops, I don't know if I can reel the other in. We're gonna try though.
Actually, I should correct that. John's on that same lap too, sorry.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are Eddie in first place with a 32 lap 506.1 pace.
Eddie is now 2 laps
followed by
ahead.
Andrew in second place with a 29 lap 510.3 pace. Followed by Prosser in third place with a 28 lap 508.2 pace. Followed by John Kay in fourth place with a 27 lap 503.7 pace.
Oh! Overcooked it on that exit.
All right. But you going, you have to fight for this one.
Understood. This is a battle in racing for position. Try and get a clean pass.
So now the running orders: Eddie, Andrew, John, Steven.
After 3 minutes 15 seconds,
kept it
the top
squeezed.
drivers are Eddie in first place with a 32 lap 504.4 pace. Followed by Steve in second place with a 39 lap
a little early.
5.8 pace. Followed by John Kay in third place with a 29
I was lucky the
lap
bounce back didn't hit me.
510.6 pace. Followed by Prosser in fourth place with a 27 lap
All right.
505.9 pace.
Because, you know, for speed, I know I've done better than some people
Eddie's down to an 8.94 with a
Screw you, Eddie.
F1 car. Andrew's
Make this real for me. Try and block me.
John,
Make me work for it.
9.5. Steven's 9.7.
1 minute left.
Ooh,
45 seconds left.
45 seconds. Oh, I got caught in the corner. Ah.
21 seconds.
Come on, John.
In first place.
I know.
Oh no!
Oh,
9.4 pace. Followed by Andrew in second place.
Let's go.
502.3 pace. Followed by John
Lost
Kay in
my
third
mojo.
place with a 29 lap 503.6 pace. Followed by Prosser in fourth place with a 28 lap 509.8 pace. 15 seconds left.
Oh, there, take it.
oh, thank you for yielding. Oh no! Oh, gave it back. Oh, you got me! Nice.
That was a good battle.
That was good, man. Good racing.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Brother.
Eddie done.
All right, took third. Took third after 2 full stops. All right, guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you didn't hear, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Started second, finished third after 2 complete stops. Not too bad. Fun race, man. Fun race.